Those of us who are baby boomers were born between 1946 and 1964. By the year 2030, all baby boomers will be age 65 or over. So whether we like it or not, downsizing is coming for us. Even if you're not planning to move anytime soon, life has a way of throwing surprises at us when we least expect it. If you wait too long to start decluttering, you might find yourself overwhelmed and unable to tackle it when you need to the most. Listen up to hear the basic tips on downsizing and decluttering. The two really do go hand in hand. I learned a decluttering lesson the hard way. 5 months ago, I had a bad fall. Turns out boomer bones don't heal like baby bones. I went from a full-time active realtor to 4 months in a wheelchair, followed by months on a cane, and still am on a cane. And do you know what was staring me in the face the whole time? All the stuff I needed to declutter, but physically couldn't and still can't. I wasn't planning to downsize yet, but life had other ideas. Trust me when I say, don't wait until the pressure is on you. The why. If you're a fellow boomer like me, we started accumulating stuff in the 60s. The big why, and also the hard and harsh truth is, nobody wants our stuff. Not your kids, not your grandkids, and definitely not the buyers looking at your home. But there are other reasons also to declutter. Number one, buyers looking at your home want space, not stuff. Too much furniture and clutter makes rooms look smaller and less appealing. Number two, a clean, open home sells faster. Clutter detracts buyers from seeing the home's potential and mentally seeing how their things will look in your home. Number three, emotional freedom. Holding on to too much stuff ties you to the past and makes moving harder. And number four, the next generation prefers minimalism and has no interest in your china, your furniture, or especially your 40 years of collectibles. So donate all those Beanie Babies to the Humane Society. And now for the how. Number one, start early. Start small. Tackle one room at a time and don't wait until you're under pressure. Number two, use the love it, use it, or lose it rule. If you don't love it or use it, then toss it. Number three, donate, sell, or toss. Be realistic about what has value. Most furniture, collectibles, and knickknacks aren't worth very much. And number four, to preserve memories without keeping the object itself, take pictures of sentimental items, and you'll always have a photo to trigger a memory without having the clutter itself. Number five, before having an estate sale, give children and grandchildren a cutoff date to come get what they want and stay firm. Don't offer to store items for them. Number six, if you can't bring yourself to stay on task, consider hiring a professional organizer to take the emotion out of the project. Number seven, stage your home like a model home. The less you in the house, the easier it is for buyers to picture them in the house. You can do this. Start today. Your future self will thank you when you're not drowning in stuff at the last minute. If you need help preparing your home for sale, my husband and I would love to help guide you through the process. Please give us a call, shoot us a text, subscribe to our channel, and we would love to help you get to your next chapter in life.